Hello, my name's Chris Barshot. Here is a Studio X automation. We've got a Excel spreadsheet here with some columns and we've got a couple of rows here. So what we're going to do is take the information in each row one at a time and populate a supplier website. This is Studio X. Here's our little development here, pretty simple. So let's run it and see how we go. What it's going to do is bring the application, the web application, to the foreground, open up the new supplier, and then populate the details from that Excel spreadsheet. So here we're on contact energy being used, descriptions typing faster than me, selecting the industry, and then the number of employees, if it's a recurrent supplier. If it's not, then it just skips that part. If it is, it will tick it, and you'll see that coming up in one of the examples shortly. So do the next one. This is Massport, lawnmower manufacturer. Again, going through some test data. That's saved, and you can see each of those supplier entries being added. And this is our last one from our spreadsheet. Of course, we could have a very long list of suppliers there that we could have populated from some other system. In this case, we're going to tick recurrent supplier is true. So that's off our spreadsheet. And I'll bring that up to show you in a second. There's a final save. As you can see, they're the three entries we've just added. Here's our spreadsheet showing if they're recurrent supplier or not. And that's one of my first Studio X automations.